Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can get Fazza Card. Alright, so for Fazza Card you have to go to the main account main web for www.fazza.ai. Alright, so AE when you come over here, so you have to click on insurance. Alright, so when your insurance click allow, then you can see all the verification. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to click on become a member. When you click on a become a member, these are the process you have to do. Alright, company code, personal information, SMS verification, and additional information and subscription. Alright, alright. So after all of this, you can give your company code whatever you want. Then come back. Okay, forward. Click on a provide a password. Make a password or sign with EUE pass, and this is how you done. Alright. So when you log in with EUE pass, you'll give you all of the details, and this is how you done. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. For more, like and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.